into the foyer, to the living room. Cable wire there. Family room. Got drapes and curtains and screens in those windows. Okay. There's two walls here, this one and this one. You can see how it's maybe tried to be painted. Can't test the fireplace. Kitchen. It's okay. Got a screen door there. Got existing scratches on the cabinet here and there. Screens in the windows. Refrigerator is already dented. Dishwasher. Everything looks good in here. Washer and dryer. Washer and dryer. Garage has a screen door. Looks okay in the garage. Floor. Walls unpainted. There's a shelf. Let's go back around to the dining room area. Dining room. Curtains. No screens in those windows. Okay. I can't quite see it, but no screens in those windows in the dining room. Let's go upstairs. You can see the banisters already scratched here. Here. To the left, master bedroom. Curtains and blinds. Cable. And then the bathroom. No screen in this window. Tub looks good except for the shower head is broken. Already scratches on there. Looks like it had been painted. Closet is the only place that has carpet. It's already a little soiled. The walls in the closet are soiled. Or stained rather. Scratches, half painted. Scratches. Scratches. Scratches, half painted. Here on the other side again, half painted. Go back here for 1 second. In the bathroom, this is a hole in the wall right there. We'll go down to whole bath. Whole bath. Everything looks okay in here. Mirrors, a little scratch. Manual stopper. ceiling looked like it had been repaired here in the bathroom. Everything looks good there. Going into bedroom number 1, which is I call the office. The door's damaged. Floors and walls look good. Shelves and a ceiling fan. Nice closet space you've got. No screen in this window either in the office, but you got drapes and blinds and curtain rods. But no screen. Built-in bookshelf. That's nice. Okay. Let's go into bedroom number 3, the kitty room. This is carpeted. Berber carpet. It's already stained. See the stains better here. Closet, ceiling fan. There are screens in this one. There are screens. 1 curtain rod. The other side is fell down or something. Going to bedroom number 4. Got curtains and rods, nice closet space. Missing 1 screen in this left window in the 4th bedroom. I see the key for this lock. It is above the door here. Okay, we're done upstairs. Let's go to the half bath. Half bath. There's no drain, no stopper, and the sink is already damaged. Let's just go out on the deck for a second. Got a screen door here for the deck. Got curtain rods and curtains. And the deck is in good repair. The deck is in good repair. It's a beautiful yard. Fence looks good except for over there, right there in front of me is coming out. Some boards missing there. Other than that, it looks good. That would be it.